What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing the KLX 140R sound test because last video got 10 likes. I'm on my backyard track here. It's looking pretty nice. We'll do some videos here in the future. And yeah, let's get to it. Start up. This thing's pretty loud for a trail bike. Not gonna lie. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Let's get this video let's get 20 likes on this video, and I'll be doing my first real video on my track. It goes way all the way down there and stuff. We got some ruts, turns, berm right there. It's awesome, guys. So let's get this video about 20 likes or 10 subscribers. Either one. Thank y'all for watching. See ya!